Hey folks, I want to take an opportunity to share with you today something really cool that I got to do with a friend of mine who's a bridge tender at the Bay Farm Island Bridge. A quick note though, remember, bridge tenders don't show up to work just to make your life miserable. They've got a job to do. Be nice to them, don't honk at them. Here's a buddy of mine who's the bridge tender at Bay Farm Island, and we're going to go out and fly out and we're going to take a look at a negative tide, -1 foot, and what that reveals from the bridge tender's perspective, something you don't normally get to see and I don't normally get to see. Bay Farm Island has a really pretty view straight out to the San Francisco skyline on a clear day like today. It was really cold, but the negative tide revealed lots of the underwater landscape here that shows how many boats have drugged their bottoms against the mud. We'll take a look at some of that on the way back. That slough you're looking at there is water being carried from the lagoons in Alameda, and as we fly over this revealed mud, you can just really see a lot of carving and high and low ridges. It just looks really pretty, and all the reflective pools catching the sun as it's going down. It's about 16:30 hours right here, and we're flying out Alameda up toward the Alameda beach here. And anybody that knows this cement structure coming up, oftentimes you'll see pelicans sitting there, and I think it's for the waves. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's like a cement wall. But at any rate, it's just really pretty, and all the way up there you can see the Bay Bridge, San Francisco skyline. Camera right just off center are the Port of Oakland cranes, and then you can also see camera right downtown Oakland as well. So there's also Shoreline Drive where all the cars are there in Alameda, and you can see 3 people in the mud. I don't know what they're doing in the mud, but whatever it is, I hope it is what they wanted to be doing. So flipping back around here, you can see off to the right there, Oakland Traffic Control, ATC over there. Both sides here of the shore are Alameda, and we're flying back. Now you can see some nice turns down there flying. Look how they show the white, then they change angle, and they fade away almost like they disappear. That's really, really pretty. I'm flying high enough to not disturb any of the birds down there hunting. So at any rate, there's that slough again that the lagoons empty into and go back out here into the bay water. You can see really what a narrow passage of deep water that is over there. It's not really that deep, and right now it's only about 4 feet out there altogether. My friend, the bridge tender, was telling me. It's just pretty interesting to be able to see this much revealed at a negative tide. If you look off on the other side of the bridge there, as we fly closer, that is the marsh, Arrowhead Marsh and Martin Luther King shoreline. A lot of birding goes on there, a lot of different birds. You'll see white pelicans, sometimes brown pelicans. You'll see lots of different, black neck stilts and things like that out there. Anyway, like and subscribe. I appreciate you sharing some time with me, and we'll see you in the next video, folks.